What's up, YouTube? And today we're going to be changing the lower arm control, otherwise known as the thrust arm. Yeah, and mine is going pretty bad. My car doing a lot of knocking and stuff. I went to this place and bought some parts, and this place behind me just bought a part here. So I'm not going to try to drive the car home and replace the thrust arm. I'm going to try to do it here. It's like 20 minutes. So yeah, let's get into it. As you can see, I got the car jacked up already on the jack stands. You can see the updated look with the blacked out trim and all that good stuff. So yeah, getting everything ready. Hopefully this is a speedy recovery. Okay, there we go, get that. This is the new thrust arm I just bought. The bushings look pretty decent inside of it. So yeah, let's get it. So right now, we're up under the car. Damn, I gotta remove this fucking shit right here. I'm thinking about the splash guard. So right now, I'm gonna remove that bolt.
So I've got to remove you. And I'm authorized to use the greatest weapon at my disposal.
As you can see right now, using the breaker bar to break this little bolt at the bottom loose. Yeah. Just a pain in the ass right now. So, shit. After you broke it loose with the breaker bar, I don't know what I just said. After you broke the bolt loose with the breaker bar, take the bolt out. It's one bolt. Okay. And yeah. So now I need to access this piece, which requires me to remove the splash guard off the car. So yeah, let's remove the splash guards. Okay, that's loose. Okay. Well, I know you guys want to know why I'm not using the correct tools. It's because I'm not at home right now. I'm not at my shop. I'm at someone else's shop, and I'm trying to do this before I go home. So yeah, this is my way home. At this point, I got the splash guard removed. Now that I've removed the splash guard, I gotta get this one bolt right here. Hopefully I don't have to loosen no bolt on the spindle to drop the fucking suspension in the front to put this arm control in. I got it out. At this point, we got both of the bolts removed from the lower control arm, as you can see. So now the new challenge is going to be removing the control thrust arm. The top part out.
That other end's on the ball joint.
Okay.
So let me push it from up here.
See,
is it hidden against here?
There's no clearance. Okay, so I'm still out here. The problem is I got the control arm loose. It's loose, but I need to replace my axle boot with the whole fucking axle. And the control arm is pinched between the axle and that. So right now, about to grab the star key for that, pop that out and angle it out. Hopefully that works.